Good morning, 10 percenters. This is Michael with Trading Escapes. You can visit us at tradingescapes.com, and we are live trading Wednesday morning, July 25th. We have 3 stocks on watch: TORC, CODX, and CHFS. We have about a minute until the bell, and we are about to get rolling here. So let's see what happens. We've already marked off our pre-market levels, our highs and pivots, checked our daily charts, set our quantities for our orders, so we are ready to go. Don't really have anything. We have CODX is breaking down a little bit from the pre-market, so we can watch for a short on that if the shares are available. Otherwise, I'm hoping Torque kind of has a little bit of a bounce off the 100 EMA, and we can launch it from there and go back up to pre-market highs. We will see what happens. Let's go ahead and just bring up Torque right now. And the first candle forming for the day. Always exciting to see that first candle getting formed for the day. Just getting the order set. We're in with that. And there was a quick $983 on Torque. That did not take long. Let's see what's going on with Codex. Nothing that we're interested in, but I am going to go ahead and set up the order. Just setting our stops, setting individual levels of profit. Just so we're ready in case we want to get in this. And CHFS did have a little bit of a spike. We missed that. That's okay. Let's make sure. Let's see what Torque's doing again. So I know that was fast, but as you can see, I mean, we went from 1950 all the way up to 1 point to 2050. That's why we got, as soon as we jumped in there, we hit all 3 of our profit levels, and so we just ran through them. It took probably less than a second. We'll go ahead and get the order set up for CHFS. Why is that so high? That's why it's so high, because I have it set wrong. Alright, so we have 3 different profit levels set: 5 cents, 10 cents, and 20 cents. The stop is all the same because I end up moving the stop as the trade progresses. So yeah, we do have a hard stop with this, but I move the stop and then I do a manual trailing stop. So the stop is in the system. Market makers can see it, but I position it to a point where it's not really advantageous for them to go after it. All right, we have a possible entry on Codex now. And it broke back down. Getting a signal on. Just looking at the range. I mean, we haven't moved. We're at 180 here. You know, it's moved like 8 cents. I don't particularly feel like it's worth getting in if it's not going to move any more than that. But we're here to trade, so let's take a trade on it and see what we can do. Why those levels look crazy high. Stopped out there. Go ahead and be out of this. We're just messing around with it at this point. We need to look for a better setup. I think I did that for everybody's entertainment value. Not for my wallet, that is for sure. So we're still up about $600 in the day. Torque, we're up 983 and down 366 on CHFS. Kodak has not done anything for us. It's been breaking down. You know, we're at the 200 EMA. We're oversold on RSI. We're sort of down and oversold on VWAP. We'll see if it makes a move. Volume and this, I mean, it's 12,000. Volume's, you know, it's got a little bit of volume, but it's nothing to write home about. Torque is still doing well. Let's see it bounce off of this oversold RSI and see if we can't get into another good position on it. Really feeling like it's got a potential to hit that pre-market high again. Let's take a look at the daily chart just to see. You know, it's done it before. It's been selling off since March. You know, be nice to see it staying some levels today. At least jump back up to and tap that pre-market high a couple times today. We're going to jump in activity on Codex. taking some profit there. Let's see if we can get up and hit that next level. Still in with 3,300 shares. It's kind of bumping up against the 13 EMA and VWAP right now. If it breaks that, we'll definitely get our there we go. And we're out of that for $1,266. So far, it's a great morning. If I wouldn't, you know, I knew better. This CHFS trade was ridiculous. This thing does not have enough movement. Look at the volume's been falling off all morning. I have no idea why I got in there and traded that. Alright, we're looking at see what's going to happen here with torque. Let's yeah, we've got this 100 EMA right here. I don't think really that's a level it's anybody's looking at. 1950 is where the 13 EMA is falling. It's the $0.50. I think that's a decent level. I don't want to wait that long, to tell you the truth. Ooh, I think we're probably looking. It's climbing up. I just don't trust it at this point. I don't think it's got enough. I'm going to hold just for a minute. Let's break it back down. Torque is, or Codex is kind of setting up for a short here. Dropping back down below VWAP, dropping back below the EMA. We come down, let's say the 395 level. Well, it looks like it's showing some strength. Volume's coming in. All right, let's go back to torque. Torque is still falling. We had this huge wick on this previous candle here. Got lots of movement, but it's just not holding up. Again, we're looking at the 395 level to go short. It's going to pop. Got an order in. Give it plenty of room to set up. May have to wait for another candle on this. Torque's making a little bit of a move right now. Oh, we're in. That's a profit there. We're going to set a stop on this to protect our profit for the day. And Torque's making a little bit of a move. $16.50. I think we're going probably 17. Have to show me a lot more than what it's doing right now. The volume's good though. Got volume coming into it. It's like it's hitting a wall right here for some reason. Right here at this, it just can't get over this 1663 level. We're gonna have to take our profit on all right, now we're getting somewhere. Let's do. We're gonna look at getting in over 16. We're at the 1650 level, but we've already passed that. I don't understand why this thing isn't moving with the price action. Okay, we're going to put an order in. That's 17 because it's showing some weakness now. I want to see it recover. All right, we've stopped out or taken our profit on Codex. We're up at 23.66 on Codex. I just don't think. I don't know if Torque's got enough buyers to pull this out. It's definitely got some range on it though. So we saw from the first couple seconds of the morning where we made $900 on it in a microsecond. And we're getting another green candle to form. Let's check the 5-minute chart and see what everybody's seeing. I mean, so the 5-minute chart is just a complete breakdown. We're gonna cancel this order. I don't think we have an entry on this until we see the 5-minute chart make a move. It is just too extended to the downside right now. The potential for it to keep failing is too great. Let's check our friend CHFS. Good at it's making a nice pull up. This is one of those stocks where it's it's got a good well, it had a good pre-market. Truthfully, it sold off in pre-market. Another reason why I should have never traded it. What I was going to say is this is one of those stocks that we'll stop looking at it. We'll come back after we're done for the morning, and it will have jumped up 200% on us. But that's okay. We'll be okay. We're up almost $3,000 for the morning. We're about 15 minutes in. Really love to see torque. Well, there we go. We got just a flash of green there in the 5-minute candle for torque. This thing has sold off from 1978 to 1583. Almost 4 points from this morning. Somehow or another, in that sell-off, we made $1,000 going long. We'll pat ourselves on the back for that one. We're so good, and we still lost $366 in this little junky dollar penny stock. You see this price right here? Too cheap to be trading. We should not be trading it. I don't know why we put it on there. It was just the last minute thing. I was looking at the scanners and said, why not watch 3 this morning? We only got 2 that I really like. Let's throw a third one in there. And I guess I get the enjoyment of paying for that one. $366. All right, we're just sort of riding out the morning. We've got about 10 more minutes. I just don't see anything happening, but you never know. I was wrong last year one time. It could happen again right now. Well, I hope everybody's doing as well as we are. Having a good morning. Up almost $3,000. Green on 3 stocks. Red on 1. Our winners are outperforming our losers by about 10 to 1. Still just hoping for this bottom bounce on TORC. Let's see what the 1 minute looks like. So the 1 minute, it's just been a sell off all morning. No strength whatsoever. We made our money right in here. This little tiny candle was a whole $1. That's why you watch the scanners in the morning. Six more minutes for the morning, and the morning first 30 will be over. We will enter this if it breaks over the EMA, basically, right here. It's getting close. Let's go ahead and put an order in 1625. It hasn't broken that EMA all day long. So if it does break it, it's going to be a very good indication that it's going to pop up. Now, what we got to be careful of is that EMA is jumping around as the price action is jumping. I don't want to be below it, and I don't want to be on it. I want to get in above it, because if it's not above it, then it's not showing any strength. So we just came right up to that 13 EMA, just like we did right here. And it's breaking back down. Probably should have shorted it there. Well, it jumped up there, but we didn't get filled. And I'm suspecting that's probably a really good thing. All right, got in. Took some profit. We're gonna set a break even. Protect the day. Okay, so we made another $300 on it. It's not bad. You know, we're coming to the close of the first 30, so I think that's going to be it. Something's going to happen here. It's going to break back down or go back up, but that is going to be somebody else's profit. Because we're done for the day. We're up $2,366.79 on CODX. We are up $1,233.34 on TORC, and I got to mention old CHFS, this nice penny stock here, decided it was going to take $366 from us. So good for it. But overall, I think you know, being up $3,500 for the day, we'll take that and we'll be happy. Anyway, I hope everybody else is in the 10% this morning. This is Michael from Trading Escapes, tradingescapes.com. Come check us out, and we'll see you soon.